Hey guys, it's Ron. How you doing? Hey, today I want to talk about printing 5x7 prints on an Epson ET-2800 printer. Now, I got this printer for my birthday and it was going along really well until I tried to print 5x7 prints with no border. And I couldn't do it. And I'll show you what happened here. I'm running the software. Fire the software up. Well, so we'll go 4x6. Okay. Print this Ferrari. So now, in 4x6, borderless, you can print borderless or without border on a 4x6 or 3.5. But watch what happens when you go to 5x7. 5x7, it prints a border. There's no option to print borderless. But there is a way to print borderless prints in the printer with the program. I'll show you how. It's a workaround, but it will work. So what you're going to need is you have to get 8.5 by 11 inch photo paper. Print this. Hold the control key down. Print this. To get these to print, show more options. Print. Print to per page. Make sure this is set to fit pictures of frame. Select your paper, 8.5 by 11. Quality, high. And whatever type of paper you're using. Photo glossy or whatever. And then go ahead and print that out. And once you get that printed out, you're going to have to use either an X-Acto knife and a ruler and cut the prints out so you can get exactly 5.7. It's just some minor cuts you need, that's all it is. Or you can get a Fiskars cutting tool. And that is probably your best option for cutting paper because it's super accurate, it's super fast, and it cuts beautifully. So that's how you get around this problem they have with not printing 5x7 borderless sheets in your software anyways. But the workaround is the only way you can get around that and get borderless prints. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.